VIDIZMO provides an ease to its customers by automating the configuration process via VIDIZMO Setup Wizard. If you are configuring VIDIZMO storage as your storage provider, coupled with the transcoding services, using VIDIZMO Cloud Encoder. Setup Wizard allows you to initially set up your portal's storage provider and transcoder for seamless user experience throughout the application usage. It takes you through a series of easily configurable steps to help set up the system. Let's look at configuring VIDIZMO storage with VIDIZMO Cloud Encoder using the Setup Wizard. By default, VIDIZMO provides certain different configurations for storage and transcoding providers via Setup Wizard. Please make sure you log into your portal as an administrator or manager to configure VIDIZMO storage with VIDIZMO Cloud Encoder using Setup Wizard in a portal. By the way, your previous content will remain intact and will be served from your pre-configured storage provider, unless you choose to migrate data. In the case of data migration, old content is purged based on the policy set in the portal. The number of servers in your deployment model depends on the redundancy options your organization needs to employ. As servers are deployed locally, you need to make sure you have configured VIDIZMO application locally on your web server. By the way, you can choose from multiple storing options such as SAN, UNC or local drive. You also need to have an account on VIDIZMO Cloud Encoder service provider to configure it using Setup Wizard. From the portal's homepage, click on the navigation menu from the top left of your screen and select Control Panel under Admin. From the left-hand side navigation pane in Control Panel, select Setup Wizard and click on Run Wizard again. VIDIZMO provides a set of default configuration for your storage and transcoding provider that can be overridden via Setup Wizard due to evolving business requirements. Furthermore, apart from the possible configurations, VIDIZMO also offers the flexibility of choosing any other storage providers or transcoders that the organization may want to configure their application with. From the Configuration tab, select VIDIZMO to configure it as your VIDIZMO storage for your system, from a list of available options in the drop-down menu. Select VIDIZMO Cloud Encoder to configure it as your encoder for your system, from a list of available options in the drop-down menu. Once you're done, click Next to proceed. From the Storage tab, provide the local CDN path configured for content storage and delivery in an on-premise deployment of your application. From the Transcoder tab, you need to enter the API user ID that has been registered on VIDIZMO Cloud Encoder. By the way, this number can be found in the My Account tab of the client interface. Enter the email address that you have associated with your account on the Cloud Encoder and enter the API user key generated by your account on the Cloud Encoder service. Now, copy the endpoint of your encoding account that helps act as an API between application and Cloud Encoder. Check or uncheck Migrate content as per your priority. This is used to migrate data from your previous storage provider to one you have configured. Once you're done, click Done to run the Setup Wizard and a notification will appear briefly stating, Setup Wizard started successfully. You can track the progress of the Setup Wizard for storage and transcoder configuration via workflows in the Control Panel. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.